Today we are making a cookie dough cake. Doing it the upside down method. I want to get sharp edges and it's just easier to get a smooth finish. Aluminum board, add frosting as glue, place my acetate sheet onto the aluminum board, thick coat of buttercream frosting. First layer, and we've already simple syruped these. Making sure it's level. For our cookie dough cake, actually half bake cookies, and I'm going to use that in the middle. I'm gonna add a thick layer of buttercream frosting to cover the entire cake. And again, using this method, you do not have to do a crumb coat. It is a pretty thick layer of frosting that I am putting on. I am piping it right to the top. I'm going to add a cake board, 1 sheet. This cake is a little bit taller because of the cookie dough inside. I think I'm actually gonna have to use 2 to cover the top part. And then cake ring on top and squeeze it tight. I'm actually gonna move it up and squeeze it here too. I am going to put this in the freezer for about 20-30 minutes. It just needs to get hard. It's been in the freezer for about 30 minutes, super hard. I had 2 of the frosting sheets because this was a little bit taller because of the cookie dough inside. Fill in all the gaps. The hot cake scraper melts frosting, making it smooth. So we're gonna flip it. Actually seeing some air bubbles more than normal. A trick to get rid of the air bubbles is just by inserting a dowel in, removing it, and it kind of just takes the air out. I'm just going to smooth it out. Baked chocolate chip cookies we're going to stick on there. And then I'm just gonna add some crumbs to the bottom. You've got your cookie dough cake with sharp edges.